Hi there. In this video, I'm going to discuss the last 10 of SMC4, 2024, and the second 10 of SMC5. Okay, so let me share my whiteboard with the questions. Right. So question number 21. Let me see whether my pen works. No, I need to awaken my pen. Okay, right. Right. The row of apples and bananas has a pattern apple, 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 banana. So four apples and a banana. Four apples and a banana in a row. How many bananas in the first 99 fruits? So we need to see that, okay, here we have a block which repeats, right? What is that block? So this block, right, repeats, right? So if you figure out how many blocks are there in the first 99 fruits, we can answer this very easily because one banana in each block. And to find out how many blocks are there, we need to divide 99 by 5. So how many 5s go into 99? So 25s go into 100. So that means 19 5s go into 99. So there are 90 bananas and the remaining 4. So now 90 times 5 is 95, right? 5 less than 100. So 95 and plus 4. Now these 4, right, after 95 blocks like this, you get 4 apples, right? So therefore, there are 19 bananas in the first 99 fruits. Okay, let's go to the next question. How many three-digit numbers greater than 200 can be made using digits 1, 2, and 3? So 3 digits using 1, 2, and 3. So that means all these 3 digits have to be there. Since greater than 200, so the hundredth digit has to be either 2 or 3, right? Now, if it is 2, then the tens and ones can be 1, 3, or this way. So there are 2 numbers there, and with 3 in the hundredth digit place, this could be 312 or 321. So there are 4 such numbers, right, we can make. Right, next question. A shop sells mangoes in boxes containing 3, 5, or 10 mangoes each. So one dealer wants to buy exactly 59 mangoes. What is the smallest number of boxes can he purchase? He doesn't want to carry a lot of boxes, right? So, I mean, without worrying too much, you can actually buy, yeah, ask the vendor, okay, give me 59 boxes. I don't care how many boxes, 59 mangoes. I don't care how many boxes, right? No, he wants to have the smallest number of boxes. So then we have to go into boxes of 10, right? Yeah, so we can actually have 5 boxes containing 10 mangoes in each box, and that is 50. And there are 9 mangoes left. And that can we have that in boxes of 3, 5? Yes, we can have 3 boxes of 3 mangoes in each, right? So this is 9, 59. So how many boxes? We have 8 boxes. Now, since it is the smallest answer given, that has to be the answer, right? Now, when you watch this video, you can stop it and see, no, is 8 the correct answer? Can I get, even smaller number boxes? So 9 boxes. So how about 5, 3? No, there's one left. Okay, think about it. Right, next one, a large box contains 3 smaller boxes, and each of these 3 smaller boxes contains 4 even smaller boxes. Right? How many boxes are there in total? So boxes in boxes in boxes, right? So it's a nest of boxes, right? So large box contains 3 smaller boxes. So there we have actually 4, 1 plus 3, because, right? And in each smaller box, there are 3 smaller boxes. Yeah. Each of these 3 smaller boxes contains 4 even smaller boxes. So in each there are 4. So how many? So in each of these 3 small boxes, even 4 even smaller boxes. So altogether, how many? We have 16, right? So you need to count correctly, right? Okay, right. Number 25. Tarindi has 4 daughters, Dulani, Natmi, Isuri, and Pavitra. The ages 3, 5, 7, and 11. Nice numbers, right? Prime numbers, right? Respectively. Yeah, at present, right? In 3 years' time, Tarindi's age will be equal to the sum of the daughter's ages at that time. How old is Tarindi now? Now, Tarindi is the mother, right? Now, mother is actually going to be the same age as the sum of the ages of 3 daughters in 3 years' time. So when you add 3 to each one's age, right? Actually, I wrote this, not in the usual way. Usually in a way, right? Like this, right? Yeah, so it's okay to be different, right? So what is the total here? The total actually is that, so we have 3 4s, right? How do we add these? There are 3 4s, that is actually 12, and a 5, and a 7. So that is actually 24, right? Is that correct? We missed this one, right? 11. So 11 plus 3 is 14. So 14 plus 24 is 38, right? In 3 years' time. So trying to find out Tarandi's age now, we need to subtract 3, take away 3, and that is 35. And that is Tarandi's age now, right? Okay. Next question. Monira puts on her Slmc 4 2024/25 t-shirt and stands in front of the mirror. I might wonder why this 2024/25, because even though it is Slmc 2024, it is still in 2025. That's why, right? So it is printed here, and when she stands in the mirror, all this gets reflected, right? And Slmc, she sees this way. Of course, the letters reverse, but then you need to see that C is not going to be like this, it's going to be like this, right? And M, the next one, it's symmetric, right? And L should be like this, and S, not like that. Not like that. It should be like this, right? So you need to check carefully the given answers, right? And look at that slash. The slash is going to be like this, right? It's going to be like this, right? So, so that means we can actually eliminate these answers, right? We're looking at the slash. So there are actually two slashes here. In the correct way, this one and this one, right? But then this is clearly out because M is first. No, C has to be first, right? Of course, right? Flipped. So that means the answer is C, right? Okay. Susan wants to pick. So 2 is missing. And that can't be any issue here, right? When you did the problem in the competition, a different colored marble from each box. Which color must she pick from the fourth box? Of course, in the first box, there's no choice. You need to pick the green one. But then here you have lots of choices. But here also, right, we don't have many choices, right? Since we have already picked green, right, in the box number 3, it has to be red, right? So green, red, we need to pick red from 3, and then from box 5, yellow, and box 4, the remaining one, which is blue. We need to pick blue, right? So you can see how you can actually find the answer thinking logically, right? Okay, so we go to the next question. Arundhati created a 3-digit number using the digits 3, 5, and 7. That means all 3 had to be there. However, she did not place 3 in the ones place. You see, 5 in the tens place or 7 in the hundreds place. What could be the number she formed? Okay, I'm going to draw 3 boxes for the 3 place values, right? And then the first box is, of course, leftmost box is the hundreds digit box, and then the tens digit box and the ones digit box. Now, in hundreds digit box, we can put only except 7, right? So we have 2 choices for the 100 digits place. It could be 3, right? If it is 3, then now 5 can't be in the tens place, so 5 has to be here, and then 7 has to be here, right? If we put 5 in the 100 digit place, then we can't have 3 in the ones place. 3 has to be here, and 7 has to be here. So there are actually 2 numbers that we can form: 375 and 537, and only one of them is given here, which is 537. What could be the number? So these can't be, right? No way, right? No way, right? So this could be, right? The farm has only chickens and ducks, and the total number of their legs is 288. How many animals are there in total? You see, so this is like, those questions where, you have chickens and rabbits, but luckily, chickens and ducks, they have both 2 legs. They are normal chickens, right? Normal duck, they don't have 3 legs, right? Or 1 leg, right? So if each one of them has 2 legs, right? Then if you divide 288 into 2 by 2, then we get the number of animals in total. How many? 144, right? See how it is, how easy it is when you see it, understand the question, right? Right. Let's go to the last question. What is the minimum number of character swaps? So that means interchanging 2 characters at a time. And to transform this into this, right? So you look at this for a while, scratching your head, and then you see that, yeah, so I want Slmc, right? So I need to swap these 2, right? Then I get SMLC, 4, but it should be Slmc. So another swap, right, will get me this. That means 2 swaps, See how it is, how easy it is to understand the question, right? Of course, you can actually do that in 3, 4. Okay, so you can look at them leisurely, right? Okay, so that's the end of SMC4 paper. And in the next video, I'm going to discuss um, the last 10 of SMC5. Okay, all right, see you there. So in the next video, SMC5 last 10. Okay.